Well, your car is pretty low even on the sand. Not only in on the grass. So, point proven. Hello and welcome to a new kind of video here at Preffs. And today we are going to talk about this car here, Skoda supAIRb. And here in Sweden it's fewer than 5, which is pretty rare, that has air suspension. So we are going to talk to our owner about why he chose the car, well, if he has some story and some trouble. Well, stay tuned and we will find out hopefully some interesting history from this car here. So, first of all, why Skoda?
Why not?
Where did you get your inspiration from? Because you've chosen a pretty normal car to make unnormal, well, unregular.
I have a lot of friends who drive stanced cars with air suspension, and so I wanted to join the group, and I didn't want just to lower the car. If I wanted to lower the car, it had to be so I could get over speed bumps and such things, because I don't want to destroy it.
Like I done with my car. The exhaust pipes are scraping everywhere and, well, hanging, and, well, yeah. I know the struggle, and well, that's not funny. So repaired it 2-3 times or something. So well, I understand air suspension. Well, since it's a pretty big project to install air suspension, do you have any fun stories when you almost like broke your finger or something like that?
No, I have not, because Street Trends did the mounting.
Ah, I see. So it's a professional job.
Yes,
So when,
because I wanted the insurance, or
yeah.
that you can say, and I didn't have the time or place to do it myself. So I contacted him. He got his place here in Ambjörnarp, not long from here. Yeah. Street Trends. He's the guy to talk to if you want air here in Sweden.
I see.
He did a very good job. Indeed.
Maybe I can contact him as soon as I get a job. So what kind of price range is it on the air suspension? Is it like the cheapest you could find, or the most expensive, or, well, gold plated? And
well, I am running Airlift Performance 3H as my main system, and then I have a Performance Bilstein air ride dampers, because they have had a longer range. I can take the car higher and lower.
Ah, I see. So it's good for many purposes, like you can go on off-roadish, and you can also place it right on the ground.
Yeah,
so
something about that.
Okay, so I see. So well, the comfort was the main thing.
Yes.
I did notice something on your rims. Are they well, expensive?
No, it's ABS wheels, F33. They are 20-inch, 8.5 wide, with the 225 30-20 tires on them.
Yeah.
Because I needed to get away from the front dampers. It was not far away from the suspension.
I feel you. I probably would go for 1 inch less in width on my own car, so well, I feel you.
Yeah, you can't fit any bigger on the car. You can't fit. If you would run coilovers or something, you can fit something wider, but not with air suspension. This is exactly that it fits when I lay it on the ground.
I can imagine, because if you have, well, too wide rims, you can't go
Oh,
straight
then
to
you
the bottom.
need to do something with the fenders.
But that can be kind of interesting as well.
Yes.
Wide body on the...
Yes, but it's a daily driver.
True. But it can be a very unordinary daily driven.
Yes.
Well, I opened your front door and I saw pretty interesting door mats. Well, not door mats, but floor mats.
Yes.
Have you bought them or have you made them yourself?
No, they're bought. They're diamond car mats. I found them on Facebook, and it was interesting. So I bought them, and I think they are really good. Easy to clean and maintain, and it looks so much nicer.
It's very clean. I opened the door, but oh, is this a Rolls Royce?
Oh.
You have any plans for your Skoda?
Yes, I want to optimize it. It's the 190 2.0 liter diesel. It will maybe next year or something when I can afford it. And then I want also to either repaint it or wrap it, because it's a Skoda. A lot of damage. I got a lot of chip marks in the front.
Ah, the ordinary.
Yes, the ordinary. But I had a E61 before this, and when you got just a little dimple,
Yeah.
here it's crates. So some of those will happen.
Sounds interesting.
Mm.
Which color do you think? Oh,
It have to be a surprise.
surprise. I see. Surprises is always funny.
A little fun fact
Oh, yeah.
about the car
Yeah.
is that it have umbrellas.
Oh, like the luxury cars?
Yes,
Ah, cool.
in the front doors.
That's nice. That's nice. Must have come very handy.
Yes, very handy. Yeah, I have used them a couple of times.
Can imagine.
The hardest thing is to remember to put them back after you have taken them in and let them dry. That's the hardest part.
I can imagine open the door and oh no, come on, it's a tow shit.
Yes, that have happened once.
I can imagine. So well, thank you for what can we say, interview, the chit chat.
Yeah.
So well, thank you for that, and it was a very nice car, both inside and out. And hopefully we maybe can see each other on the next GSR meeting.
Yes,
If you are going.
I plan to.
Yeah, same here. But if work comes up, work comes up. But well, thank you.
Thank you.